Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick on YouTube, and today's video we're gonna be doing the unboxing to the Google kit that's sent to me by teampixel. Thank you so much and big shout out to them. I've never been excited about unboxing, same as I'm excited today to unbox this box for you guys. So without any further ado, let's find out. Just before I unbox this video, I want to thank every one of you guys watching Variety Stick videos. Give us this support, the like, the comments, everything. You guys encourage us. We got to the point to be contacted by Google team to send us this box. I'm doing this unbox for you guys. I want to just do it to show you what they send me. I want to share this moment with you. So let's go ahead and open the lid. There we go. And we're gonna look to see what they have sent me. There you go. So first of all, they have 1 month of a free Google Fi service. That's pretty nice. And they have this suction pop, the bracket over here. There we go. And we have some paperwork from teampixel. Big shout out for you. Thank you so much for sending this kit for me. I'm gonna just sit this on the side and see what else we can see. And we have the Pixel 3a XL. This is the new Google release. This is a new cell phone, and it should be the case. So let me just sit this on the side. You can later on open the stuff. Came in the box, and we have a bag over here. There we go. It has the Google logo over here. Looks so good actually. Just sit this on the side and look what else we have. And finally we have the cell phone over here, and this is the new Pixel 3 XL. Thank you so much for sending this to me. We're gonna also do the unboxing for the Pixel 3 XL for you guys and have the first look on this particular device. Now before we do the unboxing and show you the actual device, how it looks like, I just want to point out a few things for you. First of all, this is a new release from the Pixel, and this is a mid-range device. This is not going to be the high range price. This is the Google mid-range device. So if you want to buy affordable Google phone, that will be a great option for you. The Pixel 3a XL or the Pixel 3a. So they've sent me the big phone. They did not send me the regular one, but the Pixel 3a it should cost $399, and the Pixel 3a XL it should be $499, which is affordable device. Also, this phone comes with a new chipset from Qualcomm. It will be Snapdragon 670. We want to see the performance later on in more videos in the future for the device. We have 4 GB of RAM, 3700 milliamp power battery. Of course, it should be also fast charging technology to it, and 6-inch full high definition 1080p and 12 megapixel camera. And as everybody knows, that Pixel has one of the best phone camera in Android period. So the phone, even with one single camera, takes gorgeous pictures, this is what we are going to do for you guys. Now let me go ahead and just do the unboxing. Let's see if I can take these steps. Oops, we don't need actually to use the knife. There you go. And let's open the box and have the first look on the phone. Here you go. The phone is so light, by the way. 167 gram only, very light device. Sit this one over here and see what else comes in the box. There you go. So we have the SIM ejector tool and the booklets over here, and we have the OTG cable, I think, OTG, and the USB-C to C over here. That's not A to C. That's very interesting, as you guys can see. And we have this OTG cable, and we have the charger adapter, and that shows the fast logo over here, so that must be a fast charger. This is very interesting because this doesn't have the A type, it has the C to C charger, which is kind of very interesting. I don't know if you're gonna like this one because you must use this cable to use this charger, but if you have an older USB-C charger, you must be fine to use. So this is the phone. The phone won't be premium or anything like that. The phone, it should be made out of the plastic frame according to what I have read about the phone. There we go, but the phone looks so premium, as you guys can see. Here's the fingerprint. Looks very similar to the Google Pixel 3 XL, but as I say, the specification it will be lower. I mean, you can feel this frame is a plastic, and we have plastic back, and we have glass over here right to the top, and this is the camera and one flash. And let's go ahead and power up the device. Now, as everybody knows, normally when I get any phone, I must take my time, just check the phone out for you guys, and then I come back with my impression. So we will come back to you. Now, after spending a little bit of time playing on the Pixel AXL, I want to just give you my impression. No one could doubt about the Pixel camera. I have taken few pictures here and there. I want to spend more time on the phone. The phone just released today. I want to have more time. I want to download more apps. Also, I want to do some benchmark test and stuff like that. But I just took some samples. And for those people, they might don't know about the Pixel phones. Pixel phones is the Google phones. It comes with the stock Android, and the phone running the Android Pie, the latest right now. And this phone gonna continue get all the software from Google on time, so there is no delay in Google Pixel phones. This is one of the best advantage that Google cares about their Pixel phones, and they get the update up to date, so you don't want to wait like Samsung or LG to optimize the operating system and get the latest software. In most of the cases, you don't get even the update. Not the case with the Google phones. You get your update right away once Google release the update, which is very neat. This phone has the latest one, which is Android Pie, but once they go with the Android 10 or another operating system, this phone must get it right away. Here's some of the samples. I took portrait selfie pictures. The front facing camera is absolutely gorgeous. Does great job. I have zero complaint about that picture. I'm gonna show you another one. What a nice pictures this phone could take. Later on, guys, I'm gonna make a review or camera review. I'm gonna do a lot of coverage for you. Let me know in the comment below what would you like to know about the Pixel 3 XL. For those people asking about if this phone will be working to certain company like a Cricket or Metro, yes, it does. This phone works with any company. The phone should come shipped to you CDMA and GSM unlock if you buy the phone from Google directly, and that way you can take it to the company or the provider you have. Either you have Metro by T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, or Sprint here in the US, and you have no problem. Another pictures outdoors, the color, the contrast, the sharpness, everything's great about the Google Pixel. I didn't spend much time with it. As I said, like I understand Google, they're trying to use different operating, different processor chipset, and they're trying also to use a plastic frame over here just to reduce the price for you guys. They want to just make the phone more affordable. I think with this price tag, the phone will be affordable, and that will blow a lot of the mid-range devices with the same range of price. And that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys find this video helpful, you enjoy watching, and thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Variety Stick if you haven't already. Hit the bell if you subscribe, so that way you don't miss any content from the channel. And thank you so much teampixel for sending this kit for me. We highly appreciate it, and big shout out to you, and thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video.